Team Namibia is working towards its vision of making Namibian products and services a part of everyday life. This particular intervention was informed by Team Namibia's 2013 stakeholder research findings in response and in alignment to the National Development Plan and our ultimate Vision 2030. There is an exciting job to be done here, the transformation of Namibia's retail sector as set out by the National Development Plan. Among the numerous steps that need to be taken by the relevant parties, this plan has identified the need to diversify locally produced commodities, increase shelving and availability in the local retail market, increase market access by creating a suitable climate for local contributions to the retail sector's supply chain with the help of the Namibia Trade Forum. And did Team Namibia respond well? The first of its kind, the development of a retail merchandising campaign that would assist shoppers with local product identification and visibility on shelves and support retail promotional and advertising efforts. According to the 2013 Team Namibia Stakeholder Survey, 83.5% of respondents declared they will buy Namibian products above imported products. However, 47% indicated that they are unaware which products or services are Namibian, with 38.5% indicating that point-of-sale merchandising is a solution to increasing awareness. A process of inclusive industry consultation was required to determine the needs and parameters for execution. We received input across the value chain ranging from retailers, manufacturers and merchandisers.
I think it's critically important for us as a Namibian nation that each and every stakeholder supports this initiative in the interest of making Namibia sustainable.
We saw this as a huge opportunity to become a member of Team Namibia because of the drive that is aimed towards promoting locally produced products and services. Imagine Engen operating 24-hour businesses where we can have locally produced products and services 24/7 to customers. I think that says a lot. We want to be part of this very dynamic brand which will have mutual benefit to Engen as a local company as well.
Through this intervention, Team Namibia endeavours to create a captivating, impactful shopping experience which would inspire consumer pride, preference and ultimately purchase. Our objective is to gain a sustainable competitive advantage for Namibian products and services. Team Namibia briefed local creatives to design the very first Team Namibia shopper bag under the themes of Namibia, originality and national pride, with a fast-paced world of shoppers in mind. A total of 6 designers contributed to 24 pieces of work, with 4 being chosen. Teddy Masi, Nalet Loubse, Franklin Angemund and Sean van Eden were the proud winners. And the bags were distributed to the relevant retail outlets as rewards to consumers spotted purchasing Namibian products. A total of 8 outlets, from retail to fuel station shops to lounges nationwide, saw this initiative through successfully. This was supported by Team Namibia cheerleaders motivating unsuspecting shoppers in store with Team Namibia branded merchandise as rewards in a bid to raise awareness and inspire action. Team Namibia utilized social media to further drive home the message and get shoppers to participate in an exciting campaign, encouraging everyone to send through a selfie of themselves with a Namibian product of their choice for more rewards. More recently, an innovative, powerful tool has been developed with retailers, procurement agents, prospecting importers and Namibian businesses at large. Team Namibia's website www.teamnamibia.com now features an A to Z directory of all member organizations with product images as well as detailed specifications available only a click away. To fully comprehend the value of the intervention on sales volumes, the season of implementation and the plethora of surrounding market and consumer conditions affecting consumer behavior need to be understood. Nevertheless, year-on-year sales volume comparison on selected merchandise product lines reported that there has been an increase on all mentioned product sales since the implementation of Team Namibia's efforts. A total of 7 in-store promotions in participating outlets saw 248 winners walk away entertained, rewarded and inspired by Team Namibia to support local. The 15-day promotion covered by Team Namibia's Facebook, Twitter and Instagram profiles received a total of 39 entries, including a selfie from London. 2,182 unique users engaged. An average of 146 people engaged daily. The social media community grew across 3 platforms by 995 new users. 16 winners, each receiving a Team Namibia hamper worth 1,000 Namibian dollars.
The increased online interaction gave our members' products a lot of relevance and presence in the conversations that were taking place. We were able to share important information that empowered consumers to make well-informed purchase decisions, much to the benefit of Namibian business and our economy at large.